Okay, I'm going like this to my sister to scare her. What are you doing, stuff? Okay, here I am, going on my adventure to my sister and stuff. Kinda gotta make sure I don't run into anything. And hopefully this goes really well. So yeah. My hair's really, really sticky. And so, okay, turning it off. Sister should really close the door.